राह संघर्ष की जो चलता है वही संसार को बदलता है। जिसने रातों से जंग जीती हो, जिसने रातों से जंग जीती हो, वही सूर्य बनकर निकलता है। So you have right. Now let's come to another candidate. I know somebody is coughing, but I am not going to invite that person. So I would like to invite Ishi.
Thank you, sir, for inviting me. Good evening, all present here. And also, sir. Can I start now?
Yeah.
So, a small quote clicked in my mind just now when I was sitting and hearing the best speech of Harith. That as sir told yesterday that the overall definition or the thought of the memory is the thing which is for a long time in a person's mind and mainly it is in the heart. So according to sir, I also felt that the true meaning of memory is the thing or a thought, a small or a long thought of anything it could be, clicks in our mind at any time. Actually, most of the people nowadays, mainly in Gujarat, think that the memories are just the photos or any clues or any ideas through which they can have a idea or means they can recall the memories of their past situations. But actually a memory is not the situation. Actually it is the true feeling which comes from our heart and we actually enjoyed that moment of our life. So I would start with my trip, of memorable trip, which was of Kerala as Putua. So we were two families and we were three in our family and the second family had four. Both the children were smaller than me. So we had to take a bus from Rajkot to Ahmedabad and we reached there at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock and their flight was different and our flight was just different. But the destination was same. So they had to fly around all over India. They first have to catch the flight from Ahmedabad to Delhi, and Delhi to Kolkata, and then Kolkata to Thiruvananthapuram. And our flight was direct from Ahmedabad to Thiruvananthapuram. That I didn't like because it was a partiality. But then I told my father that why it is like that. Our destination is same. They are coming with us. Then why they are going different way? Then he told that according to their flights, they have a different route, and according to our flight routes, we have a different way. So I, however, agreed, and they left early. Actually, their flight was having a takeoff very early, but due to some changes in the timing, we had a flight to, our departure time was 8:40 a.m. and we sat in the plane and our plane took up and I just saw the scenery from upside because I also like to see the observation. I like to observe the people which are different in flight. So I like to sit on the third seat and I also like to sit on the window seat to observe. So my parents advised me to sit between them so that I can see also from the window side and also I can observe the people inside. So I agreed to them and after few minutes the cabin crew came and gave water and tea, and also she offered coffee. I told that I will drink this coffee first time because I don't like it. So I wanted to taste it. Is there any difference between the coffee which is provided us on land and provided us on flight?
What a great question, what a great question.
This
She
question,
told that you can have.
this
And-
question can only ask by Ishit.
So,
How was the reaction?
my reaction was very awful and very dull because I didn't like coffee which is provided on land and provided on
What about her?
flight.
What about her when you asked? How was her reaction?
No, I didn't ask her, I just thought in my mind.
Okay.
So I said. Because I knew that I couldn't ask anything like to her. So I also had samosas in the morning and also breakfast of which was consisting of aloo parotha and
Which mouth started
and it also had a sabji which was made of potatoes and mixed tomatoes of different flavors. And I enjoyed both of them because I am very foodie. So I do experiments on foods mainly.
Wow.
Then, so when we reached to the Thiruvananthapuram airport, I felt that is it airport or is it the most luxurious airport of India because it was mostly clean as compared to other airports in Gujarat. It also had carpets on the floor for the people who are arriving and are having their flights. There the people were so polite that if you ask for just a silly question, they will answer them too. So we felt very shy there. Only I. Then we met the other family which was with us at there, and we had the taxi to our resort, not resort, a hotel. And eventually that hotel was not having a lift, and our rooms were on 3rd or 4th floor. And I thought that how to climb there with the stairs and also with the luggage. So and I was I was elder, so I had to. So I tolerated it. And after staying one night there, at that night we had a dinner in a hotel which was 1.5 kilometers far from our hotel. We had to walk and go there because it was outside of city. So the hotel or the restaurant there was neat and clean, and the main food which I like there is dosa, sambar, and the 3 chutneys which are provided with it. And the most famous and the tastiest was the green chili chutney because it was very spicy and also had some mint flavor, so I liked it.
Now
And-
you have aroused the hunger and appetite of me. Nobody is going to control you. Take more
And when we ordered the dosa,
Very hardly and very, with very heavy heart, Italy is controlling her. So you please.
Even Ishit is means watering in her mouth.
please don't change my gender.
Very polite way to express it.
So back to our topic that And when we ordered the dosa, we felt, and I observed that it was too long that the waiter brought in 2 plates.
Oh.
And then too it was outside of the plates. And we had only 2 dosas between 7 people. And then too it was, our stomachs were filled, and my father just asked for fun that, do you want more? And I told, yes, you can have one more. If you will accompany me, then only I will eat this. Then after passing this night with a fun, we in the morning, second driver, means the taxi driver, which would be permanently for about 13 days, who will be carrying us from places to places. Then we started it from, I think, Kochi. From Kochi we started, and there was a temple, and it had a stairs like in a round shape, and the walls of it around about 100 or 200 photos of their god were stuck on it, and we just observed it, and there was so much silence that I felt sleepy there. Then after, there were many different types of bananas there. There was this much small, very small size banana, and a large size banana which was of about this. Actually I haven't measured. And they all were having different tastes, as their color was also different. And at the shops we also had different breakfast, and which was one of the awful one was puttu, which I didn't like at all. And there was the dosa, idli, sambar, 2 chutneys. And also there was one more item which I don't know its name. And then we had a breakfast and snacks in the in a taxi, and had a very long drive. After all, in the evening we reached to a dreamland, which was, its name was Imagination of the Dreamland. It was actually a nature in which they showed the features and the abilities or the creativity which the nature showed to us. Then when we entered it, the first thing, they provided us water in a small bamboo, and it was only the bamboo, and it contained water in it, and a small lid like thing which was stuck to it so water don't flow outside. And it was tasting so sweet that we felt to drink more. But then too it was limited, so we had to buy it afterwards. And when we started, they first tied a band over here so that they can know, the people over there who are working can know that now this ride or this ride we have to do, or these are completed. They will just do a tick over there. We also enjoyed there the nature. It was full of greenery, and there was a huge lake. It was measuring half the fun world of Rajkot.
Oh my.
And it contained so many fishes that you can just see over it. The lake was, yes, the surface of the lake. All the fishes were living in a peace. They were just in a beautiful way, and there were 2 bridges which were having 2 different rides, and it was optional that do you want to do or not. And then after there was a camel ride and a horse ride. In that I did the horse ride with my father because I was scared, and then after camel ride, and it was the most scary because at that time I was 4th standard or 5th standard. It was in 2019, 1st November we started that day. So then after there were many rides we enjoyed, and we left from there. in between there were many shops which were having different types of arts and culture of there. And mainly I like that they show the live making of the saris over there, silk saris. There were many thousands or lakhs of thin threads, and they were also making in the wooden, not in the machines. And then too it was handmade and with a cheaper price. Then we saw it, and after we left, and the hotel which we had to stay there, we reached there, and there were two cubes which were about this room size, which contained small squares in between, which contained the plastic bottles. The people over there, if they see any plastic bottles laying down, they will just pick up and put in there. And the people of that company or that survey, they will just take that bottles and recycle it and use it again. So it was very clean. All the nature was just in Kerala, I thought like that. And next day in the morning about 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, we left from there to watch the tiger zoo. And eventually there was no tigers, but then too we can see monkeys there. And I also had a photo of a small monkey baby which was sitting on my head and two on my shoulders. And I was shivering, and just for 15 to 20 seconds I was shivering that I have 100 degrees Celsius fever. Because at that time I was feeling very scary. Because eventually if they could do anything to me, then what will happen? And I was wearing specs. And it was the most important thing of my trip. If I lost my specs, then the nature of Kerala, how could I observe it? And at there we had to take tickets, and we all had doorbins, and we sat in the boats. The river was so clean, and they were very broad. They also had mini islands over there, and there were also animals living there, and the people who worked there or were assigned to work there took care for them. They also supplied the food to them. There were the two types of deers, one normal and one was, I think, reindeer. And there were many types of birds. And we also saw the eagle sitting on a pole, not a pole, but it was a tree which was sink inside the water, and just some part of the tree was outside. And on just this much size shape of that pole, there were two eagles sitting on it. Eventually, they were sitting and adjusting like that. And I told my parents that we should also adjust our lives in such a way that no one, also ourselves and no one have any problem.
The way you are expressing, the way you are just teaching us so many things with, different kind of hilarious way, I appreciate, I am proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And then after when we finished it, we had to go in a bus to the main station or the pickup point when we started. And there were many bazaars which had, most of all there, the shopkeepers were selling the spices, because it is also known for spices. And there were also gardens of flowers. And when we reached to the hilly areas, there were the tea gardens which were planted, and that was the most amazing thing of our trip. And we just took photos and had the bhuttas over there. And also there was a small Maggie center, so we 3 children had Maggie over there. And then we left from there to the next resort after 2 days. and that was the most famous thing which I liked, and that was the last destination. Before reaching our last destination or the last resort, we had seen just the 1% of the nature over there, and we also had a jeep ride or ride in which they take us in a off-road ride, and at last there is a hilltop, and on that area we have to take photos if we want, otherwise we can just see the half part of the Kerala, which is covered with the jungles. And we also felt very cold, though it was 1 o'clock or 2 p.m. Then too we felt very cold due to the greenery over there. And we got more oxygen over there as compared to Gujarat, because many people over here to build the business centers or buildings or personal buildings or tenements, they just cut the trees. They will feel that for what trees are. We get oxygen from other trees, but they feel that there is a survey or a company which also contains a few people who grow tree all over the Kerala, and enjoying the beautiful nature over there and having fresh oxygen. We reached to our last destination in the resort. I think between it, I forgot to tell you that the most incredible and amazing thing happened with us was the shops which are having the banana chips, which were handmade, and they had a skill that they can put the wafers or the slices of the bananas with their hand in the oil, because the stove wasn't starting. Then the driver parked our car or the taxi in such a way that the border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu was exactly the same. The half of the car, which was the back side of the car, was in Kerala, and the above or the part which was ahead was in the part of Tamil Nadu. So we enjoyed Kerala and we had to go to Tamil Nadu for visiting. And I told my mother that because I was sitting on the first seat and my mother was sitting at the last seat, so I told her, now come in Tamil Nadu, we had a trip in Kerala, like that. And then after, when we reached the resort, we had a dinner over there and also talked with each other. And there was also a small garden, not a type of garden but a sitting area where we can enjoy the greenery over there. So we enjoyed there and talked a lot. After that night, in the morning, we went to a park, not a park but it was a whole circulation of a river, in which they took us, maximum there were, the limit was of 2 families in a boat. So we had to take 2 boats because there were 7 people. So, and then after, when we started our trip on the river, I saw a small thing curling on the river, and I thought that what could it be? And I told to my mother, and she was also shocked that what is that. Then the person who was driving a boat or riding a boat, he just told that it's a small snake, and we were shocked. If we just see a small snake in a zoo, we are feeling that, oh, we saw a snake, and they told it is very common because we are living in the nature. eventually we have built our homes in nature. Nature hasn't built our homes in ourselves.
What a philosophy.
And there was a small island, and there were about 10 to 20 houses which were built on iron rods, and above the part of the rooftop was fully made of bamboo trees. So it was whole wooden, and it had 2 rooms, a kitchen, and they were the resort like places. And I don't have any words to express that. There was also an island which had a very steep slope, and to the water of the sea or the ocean was climbing up, and there was a restriction, and somewhat policemen were standing there, and there was also a stone of about this much height, which was in a shape of, not exactly, but the shape of elephant and mixture of Tirupati Balaji, which was their god, and many people took care of it. And then after we had the beauty of the nature, we returned back to our places, the resort, and then we also had a swimming pool there, so we had a swim over there. And like that we finished our trip. Thank you and have a nice day. And I want to tell one small thing. I want to tell the differentiation of of a lion and a donkey in Hindi, if you mind. कि एक गधा है और एक शेर है. गधा जो है वो 60 या 65 की स्पीड में दौड़ता है, और वो दिन रात मेहनत करता है, और सबसे हार्ड वर्किंग एनिमल होता है इस एनिमल प्रजाति में, और वो पूरी दिन रात मेहनत करता है, और फिर भी उसको टाइटल मिलता है कि आखिर में वो एक गधा ही है. बट जो शेर होता है, वो जब भी उसको खाना खाना होता है, तब शिकार को उसके पास आना ही पड़ता है. वो कुछ नहीं करता, सिर्फ सोता है या फिर खाता है या फिर घूमता है. देन टू वो जंगल का राजा है और वो गधा है, इतना काम करता है फिर भी गधा ही कहलाता है, क्योंकि जो शेर को बात पता है वो गधे को नहीं पता. गधा सिर्फ हार्ड वर्क करता है, और जो शेर है वो स्मार्ट वर्क भी करता है और लेस हार्ड वर्क करता है. सो थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.